how to trade on Bitstamp. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade on Bitstamp. So in order to trade on Bitstamp, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is make sure that you already have an account. And then to begin with, first thing first, you'll have to go ahead and log in into your account. So for that, you can either do it with the help of an application or use a web browser. In my case, I'm using a web browser. So then on the web address bar, you need to go ahead and type in bitstamp.net, and that's going to direct you to this kind of interface. So while you're on this page, you'll be able to see the login button. So go ahead and tap the try bar icon and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and select transfer funds via your preferred deposit method. Then you'll have to select the desired market or trading pair that through the market. And once you've done that, select buy option, specify the amount of the currency you wish to spend, and you also need to select what sort of cryptocurrency that you're trading with. And next page, you have to click on the buy button. As soon as you've done that, confirm all of the information one more time and confirm the transaction. That's how you can trade on Bitstamp. So in this way, you can trade on Bitstamp. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.